Hi everybody, Tetanus Risk back with you from my kitchen, and like all good treats that come from the kitchen, I have one that I want to share with you today, and that is my GMC Safari Chevy Astro 4x4 conversion kit from Journeys Off-Road. And this was sent to me USPS. I had to cross the border to go pick it up, and it's pretty cool that they strap the gasket that goes between the transfer case and the transmission adapter, along with a sticker and your shift pattern decal to the outside of the box to keep them flat so they don't get damaged by the contents inside. So we're going to unbox this now, and we're going to install the kit on the transfer case. And I'm doing this in the kitchen because it's fiercely cold outside. So let's see what's inside. Oh, we have the shifter. Hardware, some wiring. Oh, shift boot. Well, my first unboxing, that was a whole lot of fun. So we'll get rid of the plastic and take a look at the contents here. So we have your shift arm, sprung washer. Your shift linkage is already bolted on to the shift arm. All the necessary hardware. Your shift knob and your wiring. So I'm going to cut this open, and I'm going to start installing it on here. Oh, I also picked up the gaskets. I have front seal there. That's that one. And rear output shaft seal right here. That's going to go there. Now notice there is a hole in there, so that does get installed down. So I'm going to tear into this, and we'll start putting it on the transfer case. I removed the tie rod from the shift arm, and I put on the sprung washer and then the shift arm, and then the thrust washer goes next. And then I'm going to install the retainer plate with two of these spacers. Oh, that got away from me, two of these spacers. And I'll come back. So I added a bit of thread locker to each bolt and a spacer at each hole that goes between the transfer case and the retaining plate, and fasten the whole mess down. Now I have to remember that when I go to install this in the spring, that the ground goes on the bottom hole. Grounds for the cabling that came with the kit. I'll leave the tie rod off for now. I also removed this sensor and plugged it with the provided plug and the nylon washer. So all the rest of these goods will go back in the box and get stored till I go to install this, which I'm very excited to do. So stay tuned for that. And if you like the content, please subscribe, leave a message, perhaps a thumbs up, a like, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.